go, class! Today we are going to explore set theory and logic. Before we dive into today's lesson, let's go over a little bit of vocabulary based on common terms when speaking of set theory and logic. Set is a collection of distinct objects or elements. Element is an individual object in a set. Subset is a set where all elements are also in another set. Empty set is a set with no elements. Finite set is a set with a countable number of elements. Infinite set is a set with an uncountable number of elements. Universal set is when the set contains all possible elements in a context. Union is all elements in set A, set B, or both. Intersection is the elements common to both sets A and B. Complement are the elements not in set A, but in the universal set. Difference is when elements are in A, but not in B. Venn diagram is a visual representation of sets and their relationships. And now we have the terms for theory. Proposition is a statement that is either true or false. Truth value is the value of a proposition, true or false. Conditional statement is a logical statement with a hypothesis and conclusion. Converse is the reverse of a conditional. If Q, then P. Inverse negates both parts. If not P, then not Q. Contrapositive negates, then reverses. If not Q, then not P. Biconditional, if and only if, is a statement that is true both ways. Negation is the opposite of a statement. Logical connectives are words like and, or, not, if, then. Truth table is a chart showing all possible truth values of a logical expression. I bet you are asking yourself what set theory and logic is. I am going to do my best to help you get a clear understanding of the concept today. A set is a collection of distinct objects. This could be bananas, birds, shapes, or any other object that is a set. Set operations, for example the union or the intersection, describe relationships between sets, and Venn diagrams visualize these relationships by using overlapping circles to represent sets within a larger rectangle representing the universal set. In the logic statement, if it's raining, then I'll bring an umbrella. Conditional, the rain is the condition that requires bringing an umbrella, but bringing an umbrella doesn't necessarily mean it's raining. For the statement, I'll bring an umbrella if and only if it's raining. Biconditional, however, rain and bringing an umbrella are linked in both directions. Bringing an umbrella only happens when it's raining, and it is raining if and only if you bring the umbrella. Sometimes new concepts that we will learn will seem overwhelming or hard to learn. Working with a partner or in a group can be beneficial to everyone. Now it's your turn to practice. I will be handing out a worksheet for each of you to take home. Partner up with someone there whom you can work with and brainstorm ideas that we have talked about. The worksheet will show you step by step how to format your answers. Please don't forget to answer the vocabulary portion. Way to go, class! We have just begun the exciting journey into set theory and logic.
Created using Powtoon.